Good medical morning. This is Pops. He's one of Dr. Sandra Lee's most popular patients. In fact, his video made her page an internet phenomenon on Instagram and YouTube. Let's take a look at some of his pictures. Pops is an 80-plus-year-old patient. Him and his wife were long-term patients of the Dr. Lee family. Here's what Dr. Lee said about the couple. A few years ago, I saw him for the first time in my office all alone. The first thing I asked was where his wife was. He told me she was waiting in the car and didn't want to come in. Apparently, she was having some medical problems. She had a lung disease which made it very difficult and painful for her to breathe. He told me that she didn't want anyone to know about this disease, that she was embarrassed. He said that she was in a lot of pain, but would put on a brave face the next time I saw her. So would I please not mention that he told me of her problems? She didn't want anyone to know. Pops ultimately lost his wife to the lung disease. Afterwards, bills were piling up and he was having a hard time in everyday life. Fans like you participated in a GoFundMe campaign. It wound up raising over $14,000 for the elderly patient. We'll throw the address on the screen. So thanks to everyone who contributed. It was truly a noble effort by popping fans everywhere. So leave Pops, Dr. Sandra Lee, and the crew a comment below, and a thumbs up for their actions. Thanks for watching.
Now, yes, I do use a pill, but it's not, it's not prescription. It's not habit forming. It's called Rest More. And yes, when they say rest more, they're not kidding. And what I usually do is I take this about 20 to 30 minutes before I go to sleep. And let me tell you something. I've been quite pleased with them. I've seen just really works. But I thought I would share with you something that just really helps me get about 7 to 8 hours of good quality sleep. You know, you're not going to just drop off to sleep instantaneously or anything like that. You need to take it for at least about 5 consecutive nights to really get it built up into your system. You know, to get, desired effects. And with that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and have a good night's sleep. Have a good one.
When you just need more rest, there's Rest More. For better, more restful sleep, make it part of your nighttime routine.